Hey guys, it's Eric here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to perform basic banking services including checking your balance, transferring funds, paying bills, etc. via UBA Chat Banker AI on WhatsApp, also known as Leo. All you need is your regular WhatsApp application on your phone. So if you've got WhatsApp and a UBA account, this video is for you. So Leo has a number which you can easily save on your phone, but UBA also sent out an email, and from here it also links directly to your WhatsApp chat with Leo. To set up your chat banking on WhatsApp, initiate a conversation by saying "Hi Leo." Leo replies you within seconds, gives you a bunch of terms and conditions to read, which I have, and then you accept by sending one to Leo. Leo goes on to send you a link to a very secure page with which you enter your UBA bank account number and submit. Leo then texts a one-time PIN to your phone number attached to your bank account, not your WhatsApp number. Something to note, all you have to do is send the PIN back to Leo and your setup is complete. Leo is intelligent, so you only have to set it up once. Here is a list of all the banking activities that Leo can help you with. So let's try to send money to my buddy who banks with another bank. Option number 4, send money to other banks. Leo sends you a secure link again, this time to enter the account number of the recipient and submit. You're greeted with a list of banks to choose recipient's bank, and then Leo asks how much you wish to send. Say 2,000 naira. There's an option to enter transaction remarks or to skip. When you have done this, Leo asks you to confirm the details because you're dealing with money here and it doesn't hurt to double check. In this step, you're also required to choose your authorization method between 1, your ATM card PIN, 2, your ATM card PIN and one-time PIN, and 3, your Secure Pass. Now, Secure Pass is an app you download from Play Store or App Store for iOS, which generates a token every 30 seconds, kind of like the physical token. Now, option 2 seems like the most secure, but for the purpose of this video, I will choose option 1 because it's the fastest. Leo sends a secure link again to input your ATM card PIN and submit. You would receive a message from Leo confirming if your transaction was successful or not. You would also get a text message if you usually get SMS alerts. Now that that's done, to top up your own airtime or the airtime of a friend, as the case may be, you go back to the main menu by sending one to Leo or simply say hi to Leo. Select option 2 and follow the same steps we took as before. Thanks for watching, and do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if this video has been helpful in the comment section down below. Also, share my link to your family and friends on WhatsApp groups who bank with UBA. Shout out to my notification squad, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.